Hi, my name is Dr. Angeline and I'm an aesthetic physician. Rises 70%, 70, choke. So what exactly is the Korean V-lift? The Korean V-lift is basically the heart-shaped face and the sharp jawlines that you see in all of your beautiful Korean actresses in your Korean K-dramas. And sometimes even the men have the V-shapes. So today I'm here to talk about the 10 most Googled questions about the Korean V-lifting treatment. So what is the Korean V-lift treatment? The Korean V-lift treatment at New Clinic is comprised of two treatments. It is the tune face and the titanium lifting. It is super popular right now in Korea. I just came back a couple of months ago and everybody is jumping on the hot bandwagon because the results are so fast and there's practically no downtime. So how does the Korean V-lift differ from other lifting treatments? So there are many technologies that associate themselves with the Korean V-lifting treatment. However, what we do is we combine two different types of technology. One is the unipolar radio frequency and the other one is the laser, which has 3 different wavelengths to target different depths of the face. So what we want is a more sculpted jawline as well as a reduction of all the chubby fats around the cheeks as well as the double chin to give you that V-shape. What specific technologies are used in the Korean V-lift? So at New Clinic, I use the tune face, which is unipolar radio frequency, as well as the titanium lifting, which is a laser, which comprises of 3 different wavelengths, the 755 nanometer, then 810 nanometer, 1064 nanometers. So basically, this targets the different layers of the skin to give you that V-shape that you desire. What are the main benefits of the Korean V-lift? So like all the Koreans, they love short forms and there's a very popular Korean band called the BTS. So basically, these treatments will give you the BTS effect, the brightening, tightening and sculpting. So it tackles the uneven tone pigmentation on the face as well as gives you that sculpted jawline. So tightens up the skin and the pores along the way. What kind of result can I expect to see and how long does it last? So with a lot of these non-invasive treatments, you will need a couple of treatments to achieve the desired result. Like how I explain to my patients, it's like building a brick wall. You build layer by layer by layer. So after a couple of times, what you see is that the wall becomes stronger, hence why these results will last longer. The analogy is the same. You do around 4 to 5 sessions, you build up that collagen level in different depths and it will last around a year to a year plus. Is there any downtime or pain associated with the Korean V-lift? There is practically no downtime and there's hardly any pain. When I tell my patients that I don't have to numb their faces for a laser session, they are shocked because it is super comfortable. The tip is made out of sapphire, so the sapphire tip has a cooling effect and the tune face has also a dual cooling, which makes the whole experience something like a hot and cold sensation, so there's no pain at all. Am I a good candidate for the Korean V-lift? Well, if you do have what we call bulldog cheeks, if you do have a double chin, or if you feel that you have lost your jawline over the years, then yes, this is the right treatment for you. It is both suitable for men as well as women, but it's best to consult before we proceed with any treatments. Can the Korean V-lift pair with other treatments for better results? Of course, there are many good combinations to these Korean V-lifting treatments, but everything is based on the assessment and what you really need. So I usually don't like to tell patients and burden them with too many treatments at a time. If say your skin lacks a bit of hydration or you have very deep pigmentation that we need to treat, I usually combine with some injectable treatments like hyaluronic acid products or skin boosters to actually enhance the hydration or even reduce the pigmentation. It really depends on what you need. Is the Korean V-lift safe? Yes, it is very safe. Like I always use the analogy of a car. A Proton can be safe, a Porsche can also be safe, but if it's in the wrong hands with the wrong driver, every car is unsafe. So for me, these technologies is based on the person who is trained to do this technology. So know your doctor. Is the Korean V-lift suitable for men? Basically, for the tune face, there is a bit of suction for the lower half of the face, especially for men where they have very, very thick beards. There won't be full contact with these machines and you may feel a little bit of pain. So I feel they are not suitable candidates for this treatment. Okay, that's about it. My name is Dr. Angeline Wong, and if you have any other questions regarding this relifting treatment, you can contact us, you can drop by, or you can visit our website at neuclinic.my. See you!